Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you think you know your Android phone inside and out, think again. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on some incredible, almost secret features that will completely change how you use your device. We're not just talking about minor tweaks. These are game changers that will make your daily life so much easier. Stick around, because you're going to want to try every single one of these. First up, let's talk about privacy. How many of you have downloaded a third-party app just to lock other apps like WhatsApp or your photo gallery? What if I told you that you don't need to? Most Android phones have a built-in app lock feature hidden away in the settings. Let me show you. Navigate to your phone's settings, then find the Security or Privacy section. In there, you should see an option called App Lock. Tap on that, set up your PIN or fingerprint, and then you can simply toggle which apps you want to protect. No extra downloads, no ads, just pure native security. This is perfect for keeping your private messages and personal photos safe from prying eyes. It's a simple step that gives you immense peace of mind. Next, have you ever missed a perfect photo opportunity because it took too long to open your camera app? Fumbling through your home screen trying to find the icon, by the time you're ready, the moment is gone. Well, not anymore. There's a super fast shortcut built right into your phone. Head back into your settings, and this time look for Gestures or Advanced Features. You'll find an option like Quick Launch Camera or Double Press Power button. Enable it and select the camera app. From now on, no matter what you're doing on your phone, or even if the screen is off, just double press the power button and your camera will instantly launch. It's a lifesaver for capturing those spontaneous, fleeting moments with your kids, pets, or just a beautiful sunset. Moving on to trick number 3, and this one is for anyone who communicates with people from different parts of the world. Constantly switching between a messaging app and Google Translate to copy and paste text is a real hassle. But there's a much smarter way. Open the Google Translate app, go to its settings, and enable the Tap to Translate feature. Now, whenever you're in an app like WhatsApp, Telegram, or even your browser and you see text in another language, just highlight it and tap Copy. A little Google Translate bubble will pop up. Tap it, and you'll get an instant translation right there without ever leaving the app you're in. You can even type a reply in your language, and it will translate it back for the other person. It's like having a universal translator in your pocket. Are you tired of typing out long, detailed messages or emails on a tiny keyboard? My thumbs definitely get tired. That's where voice typing comes in, and it's more powerful than you think. On your standard Gboard or other Android keyboards, you'll see a little microphone icon. The next time you need to write something long, just tap that icon and start speaking. The voice-to-text technology has become incredibly accurate, and it can handle punctuation too. Just say period, comma, or question mark. It's not just for English either. It supports dozens of languages. This is a massive time saver, whether you're multitasking, driving, or just prefer speaking over typing. Give it a try. You'll be amazed at how much faster you can get your thoughts down. Finally, let's talk about something we all struggle with: battery life. We've all been there. Your phone is about to die, and you're nowhere near a charger. While standard battery saver modes are helpful, there's a lesser-known trick that can sometimes give you a little extra juice, especially on Samsung devices. Open your phone's dialer, as if you're about to make a call, and type in the code ABERWO228AV and press the call button. This will bring up a battery status screen. Tapping Quick Start will reset or recalibrate your battery's fuel gauge. This process essentially forces your phone to get a more accurate reading of the remaining charge. It won't magically create more power, but by correcting any software glitches in how the battery level is reported, it can sometimes help you squeeze out that last bit of critical usage when you need it most. A word of caution: use this sparingly, but it's a great tool to have in your back pocket for emergencies. And there you have it. 5 powerful Android tricks that can seriously upgrade your smartphone experience. I hope you found these tips as useful as I do. It's amazing what our phones can do when we know where to look. If you learned something new today and you're excited to try these out, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more tech tips, hidden features, and tutorials just like this one, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Let me know in the comments which of these tricks was your favorite, or if you have a secret Android trick of your own to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.